Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. So Fannie Mae came out with a really cool idea. And it might have come from some articles that I've seen about racism in mortgages, where they're basically saying that people in the mortgage business or the software being used is racist. I think it's kind of ridiculous the way they said it. They said 80% more blacks and Hispanics are denied loans and insinuating it's because of the color of their skin. I'm not saying there's not racism out there, but most of the time, people in my position, all they care about is one color, and that's green. And I'm not talking army green like I have here, but I'm talking money green. So they want to approve that loan. Now, would someone try to charge someone of a different race more money? Maybe, but there's also rules in place that prevent that. But either way, what Fannie did is, since these articles were stating that minorities are being denied more loans because of XYZ factors. Now, it doesn't mention credit score in there, but this is a way that we can approve someone for a mortgage, but still their credit score is what reflects their interest rate. So before, your credit score allowed you to get qualified. Like if you had a 680 and above, you can get almost any mortgage you want. If you had a 640 and above, you could get FHA. Some lenders will go lower, 620, 500 something, whatever. I don't deal with that. And not that I don't deal with it, it's that I educate my clients. You see, here's where these articles drive me crazy, because I don't care what your skin color is, number one, number two, number three, I don't care. But what matters to me is your score. That is your identifier. And if you're coming to me with a weak identifier, a low credit score, I want you to be powerful. I want you to have massive credit score. That's what I want to see. So I help you get your credit fixed with certain people. Now, I may have lost business doing that way. I don't care, because I'm empowering people of all shapes and sizes and all colors on being their best, having their score in writing be 750 instead of 550 or 650. So what is Fannie doing? Maybe I'll get to this point eventually. If, let's say, you have one borrower who has a 750 credit score, you have another borrower who has a 650 credit score, and we're talking the middle scores. So if you have three scores, you have Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, and the middle one is 750, and on this other person, the middle one is 650. Now we have a 650 and a 750. We always use the 650. We use the lower one. We use it for the interest rate, and we use it for your automated underwriting system approval, or as most people know it as DU, which is desktop underwriter. There's also LPA, which is loan prospect advisor, something like that. That's Freddie Mac. DU is Fannie Mae. So whatever. What matters is DU. The automated underwriting system needs to tell us that it approves you, and it's going to do that based on your credit score. So now, finally to the point. What's happening is that 750 score and that 650 score, the average is 700. They come together, they form Voltron, and in DU, it says, boom, you're approved because you're based on a 750, you're based on the 700, not on the 650. I'm glad you liked my Voltron video. I don't know where that came from, but that's what I do. I'm nerdy. What can I say? So yeah, Fannie Mae credit analysis, averaging out your scores. Mortgage Nerd, the Mortgage Nerd with the R, a little registered trademark. Out.